In today's video, I'm going to be fishing the morning bite window, the afternoon bite window, and the evening bite window on a public pressure pond all in one day. Stay tuned and you guys will see exactly how I caught these fish. Welcome back to the channel, my people, and I would like to welcome everybody that's new to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be fishing in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening, the 3 bite windows. I'm going to start off with the Ned rig first thing in the morning on one public pressure pond, just one area of this pond. I'm just going to be fan casting this area and look for fish that are roaming around early in the morning. Just fishing with the Ned rig, I'm going to mix up my retrieves, fast, medium, or slow, and figure out what these fish want. Fishing with just the Ned rig, even if I don't find a fish, what can I do different to actually get a fish to bite my Ned rig? And it doesn't mean I have to change my bait or my technique to something different if there's nothing biting my Ned rig. Just stick with it and just find them and catch them. Just pay attention to how I'm retrieving my Ned rig and actually got a fish to bite. Mixed up my retrieves.
We got one. Yeah. Giant.
Geek. Jerkbait. Ned rig. Bluegill. Geek. Now I'm just gonna repeat the process. Fan cast my Ned rig and just search for these fish that are roaming around early in the morning. There we go. Got another one. Nothing big, but it's still a fish. Another one, y'all. Not a big one, but
Just look at that. Oh my goodness.
back out here in the afternoon. Now I'm going to be pitching and flipping into the heavy cover. All I'm doing is picking apart the heavy cover, pitching out there, hopping a few times, and just finding these fish in the thick cover. That's all I'm doing. This is the way how I like to fish. Just using the Ned rig and fish open water in the morning, and in the afternoon, just pick apart the heavy cover with the creature bait. Not switching lures back and forth, and understand why I'm using this technique based on whatever structure or cover this pond has to offer.
Whoa. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah, son. Just like magic.
1, 2, 3.
It's big bites, that's for sure.
Wow.
There you go, guys. Little 40-pounder.
40-pounder? Dang, we can keep it.
Woo!
Where are you gonna put it at?
No, I'm gonna let it go.
No, can I hold it?
Yeah. Here he is, y'all. You wanna let it go? Right back at it. Just pick apart the cover effectively. Find these fish and just keep on moving. I know that fish are always gonna be hiding in the cover. So in the afternoon, that's all I'm gonna do. Pick apart the cover and just find these fish. I'm not gonna walk around the whole pond changing to different techniques and try to get lucky randomly fan casting areas. Just stay focused and find these fish. That's all it is.
Oh. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Here it is.
Here it is, y'all. Nice big one. Back out here in the evening. Still pitching my creature bait and still doing the same thing, pitching to the heavy cover. Sticking to one technique. Just stay focused and do what I have to do to find and catch these fish. Don't get frustrated or spin myself out. Understand why I'm fishing this way. Keep it simple and keep it real easy for me. Like right here, sometimes I will spend a little bit longer working my bait in a little area. If I feel like there's a fish there, then I'm gonna work my bait a little bit longer. Just pay attention and you'll see. I got a bite, but I missed. Re-rigged my creature bait, pitched it back in there, and this is what happened.
Got him.
See something here.
Yeah.
Now I'm just pitching right here near the bank. I don't care if there's a few inches of water only, there will be bass in and around that area. Just picking my targets to find these fish and keep on moving on. Well, that's all she wrote, guys. I caught fish in the morning with the Ned rig. And for the afternoon and evening, I was pitching a creature bait into the heavy cover. Just understand why I'm using those techniques for those scenarios and know what to do to catch these fish doing what I did. Thanks for watching.